This video from Shop Stuff, we're just going to take a real quick look at the difference between the 8S and 9S CountLab cash registers. So in this video we've got the 9S, which has a full size big base cash drawer. If we press the no sale button on the drawer, you can see it's a decent size. We've got 4 deep note holders and then 8 deep coin pots. The only difference with the 8S is the drawer. So the CountLab tills are all interchangeable. You can have the tills fully working with no drawer, a compact drawer or a full size drawer. This is the little compact drawer that comes as standard with the 8S. So I just move the 9S out the way slightly and then tilt this up. So you've got, again, the dimensions will be in the video description and on the website. You've still got 8 coin holders and 4 note holders, but because it's a much more compact machine, then obviously the pots are much smaller. Each drawer, whether you order an 8S or a 9S, it'll have at least 1 media slot on there, and it'll have a cash drawer lock and a cash drawer key. You don't need to lock the drawer and you don't need the key to open it, because most of the time you'd use the till with the drawer closed but unlocked, and then the cash register itself will obviously fire the drawer as and when required. So for more information on the 8S and 9S, check out the full sales video appearing on screen now. That will show you the actual functions of the machine, which are the same for both of them, and there will also be another one showing you the machine in use with a barcode scanner. Okay, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or for more information please visit shopstuff.co.uk. Thanks for watching.